What's up everybody? My name is Jay. Welcome to my channel, and I'm going to show you how you can part out cars at your house, sell the parts on eBay to make some money. I know there's a lot of people out there that are always looking to make some money on the side. That's what I was doing when I first started. I started off pretty small selling parts, and I've been doing it for a couple years now, and each year I've been selling more and things have been going pretty good. So I thought I'd give everybody a first-hand look at what it takes to do it from the beginning steps to where I am now. You don't need to live on a junkyard with 10 or 15 cars apart outside. You don't need a huge garage or a warehouse. All of that stuff, will help, but I'm doing this out of a small 2-car garage and storing parts in my cellar and in my attic, so it can be done pretty easily. I plan on showing you guys from the very beginning, starting with just listing stuff on eBay. Some of you people probably already do business on eBay and maybe just want to learn some stuff to up your game, while other people might not have started doing anything on eBay. And for those people, you guys can follow along and see how I do it, how I take pictures, how I do the listings and the titles, how I figure out the prices and everything else that goes with it, to the shipping, how much I calculate shipping for, who I use for shipping. I also have cars that I have parted out in the past that I will talk about and how much money I made from them. I'm finishing up one right now, which is a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS 550. I've sold a lot of parts off of that, but I still have a real lot left, so I can give you guys an update and show you how much I've already made from that vehicle. I actually just picked up a new parts car the other day, which I'm excited about because I'm going to show you guys from the very beginning what it takes to do it for when you get a car at your house. That's a 2006 Volvo XC90 that I got real cheap, so I plan on showing you guys exactly what I do, taking it apart, to storing the parts, to start listing all the parts, so we can start all of that at the same time. I'm going to keep track of everything and maybe give monthly updates on how much I made from it, obviously telling you guys when I break even on it for my investment. I feel like there is a big market out there for used parts, so I feel like anybody is thinking about doing this, that right now is a good time to start. Cars are only getting more expensive and more complicated, which means that when things go wrong and they get old, the cheaper you can buy them, which I'm really looking forward to, because you'll be able to scoop up a lot of high-end cars relatively cheap, I think, in the next 3, 4, 5 years, that the parts that are still working on it are going to be a good thing to sell. The number one question that I see everywhere is what parts sell for the most money, what to look for when you are trying to find parts to sell, or a parts car to sell. So I'm going to have a dedicated video just to that topic of what parts I've sold for the most money, what parts I look for the most when I'm on Craigslist or Marketplace looking for things. Don't sell other stuff short. There's a lot of cheaper cars out there that might have a bigger potential if you actually look into it. I plan on also doing how-to videos on the parts cars that I have, so people are looking up how to take some stuff apart on certain cars. I will be showing you as much as I can what it takes to take most of the major items off of these vehicles. There'll probably be some other automotive related type of videos that I put out. So this is basically the introduction to the channel. I hope that you guys want to stick around and learn from me. I've started off small and I've grown pretty big for what I'm doing. I have a full-time job doing auto body that I work 40 hours a week right now, so I'm doing this on nights and weekends, which is a very easy thing to do. Maybe someday I'd be able to just sell parts at my house, but I'm not quite there yet. If you guys have any questions or want a video on something specific, please just leave a comment down below. I will make sure I read those, and if I see some good questions, I will make a video about that subject. I have a bunch of ideas in my head that I would love to do. So if I see that you guys are very interested in this, it will just motivate me even more. I plan on having a bunch of content ready to go that I can upload on a regular basis. So if you guys want to stick around and learn about this, please subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment if you want me to talk about something specific. Chances are I might already have a video that I'll be uploading in the next week or two about that subject, but please let me know, because I might have missed something that I just overlooked because I've been doing this for a while that somebody might have some questions about. Thanks for watching the video, and make sure you check out the next one.